Welcome to Pure Octane Garage,
where we like to bring you car detailing products
and other automotive goodness.
Yeah, so please like, subscribe, ring our bell so you do not miss out on what we have to show you.
You don't want to miss out. So what are we going to cover today?
Today, megafoam finally.
Ooh, megafoam.
We've been wanting to try Adam's megafoam for a while, so we've got the, which one?
We've got the holiday themed megafoam, and we've used their car shampoo and their ultra foam, but we want to see a lot of foam. So.
Yeah, doesn't like that thick leathery foam. So we've got holiday as in special label, color, scent. So cool label on there, right?
Yeah, you have like a snow globe, and then it has a unique scent. And if you want to see more details on their other holiday products from their holiday box set, check out the link.
Yep, got a whole video on that for you.
Yeah, it's some pretty cool stuff.
Good stuff. And then the scent, it's okay. It's supposed to be, we always say supposed to be because it's interpreted different ways for different people. Orange cinnamon roll scent.
Orange cinnamon roll.
Based on what we've smelled. Yeah, what do you think, audience? We're getting the citrus, right?
Yeah, I'm getting a little citrus, kind of more of an orange juice, a little sweetness. I'm having
a lot of cinnamon. I've smelled this a few times, but not a lot of cinnamon smell.
No, I'm not really detecting it either.
In all honesty, is okay with me. I'm not the biggest cinnamon fan, so for me personally.
And it is a good scent though.
Yeah, I like the smell.
It smells good.
We'll see what it smells like in a minute here on when we get it all over the vehicle.
Yeah, but I'm really looking forward to seeing the mega foam part.
Yeah, we'll see if there's actually a difference in it. From what I remember, Adams has some great videos about explaining their different products, their soaps. And the one thing about megafoam, if you can see that, is it's a lot thinner. It's very, very liquidy. It doesn't have that thick, shampoo-y look.
Yeah, here, maybe you can get that shot in there. I don't know if that's coming through.
We kind of foamed it up a little bit. But it's a lot thinner, and I believe it says you only need to use a couple ounces. 1 to 2 ounces.
Right, it does. 1 to 2 ounces.
To achieve the foam.
Generate thick foam.
So.
Yeah, it says it safely removes dirt, pollen, soot, and other contaminants. Does not remove wax or sealants, which is always important.
You would hope their product doesn't do that.
You don't want to be stripping off the protection on the vehicle. Let's see, it says, and it says that it does not dry out plastic or rubber, which is another plus. And then it says it creates huge amounts of thick, clinging foam with a foam cannon setup, which is our foam cannon here.
And keep in mind, we use an electric pressure washer, so results may vary based on your pressure washer with the megafoam.
Yeah, it does affect that.
But we're using a smaller home, general electric pressure washer. But you'll see that in the video.
I guess another thing we could mention too is we're going to apply this to your truck, which does have a coating on it.
Correct. So we'll see.
And that we've noticed it affects the foam's clinging ability a little bit, but we'll see how the megafoam does.
Yeah, see if that changes anything. So I don't think there's much else to say.
Yeah, let's head over there and foam it up.
All right, so we are going to put our 2 ounces of megafoam into our foam cannon here. So we're going to use our 30 milliliter cup. So it's about an ounce. We're going to use 2 of those. Cannon. Are we ready to see the megafoam foam? I see clingy thick foam.
And it's definitely thick.
Oh yeah.
And the truck does have an SiO2 coating on it. I mean, it has hydrosilix.
That's much thicker than we get.
Let's see here. Let me focus in on that.
Off of the standard shampoo. There's the scent.
Yep, I'm definitely
Orangey.
smelling the that citrusy, orangey sweetness. What is it? Orange cinnamon roll. Look at this.
Back and forth. Yeah.
So that's the Adams Polish's holiday edition of their Mega Foam.
Yeah, so let us know what you guys think. If you've used the Megaphone or the holiday Megaphone.
Yeah, let us know what you think. Especially, the holiday one. What do you think it smells like?
And I think there's been some other special edition Megaphones too. Let us know what they smell like. I'm curious.
Yeah, let us know.
What the heck? Are they accurate? Do they smell good? We want to know. Anyways, hope you guys like that. So you know what you need to do if you did.
Like,
subscribe,
ring the bell,
and tell your friends, please.
Yeah, it's the holidays. You want to share.
Yeah. You can share this all year long.
Yeah.
I don't think we used it all, if you can see that.
We've only used 1 to 2 ounces.
It's barely been used. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Later.
Wait, Ryan, one more thing.
One more thing.
After using this and coating the entire truck with it and letting it sit for, what do we do, 5 minutes or so?
Yeah.
The cinnamon came out.
Yeah.
But you had a distinct observation of the cinnamon. What was it?
It reminded me of like the big red chewing gum cinnamon, that hotter cinnamon.
So maybe it's more prevalent once it's exposed all over the vehicle in a large space here like this.
But it still had that
in a large amount.
Sweet citrus smell, of
sweet
course,
citrus
along with that
big red.
Big red.
Big red orange right here. Anyways, guys, we love the Megaphone. So far, that was amazing. I'd say get some.
Yeah.
If you want a foam cannon, your vehicle, this is the stuff to do it with, I'd say. And it cleaned really well, too.
And it's not spotting.
No.
I don't know, it rinsed clean.
Rinsed clean. We even let it sit for a while, like I said. So, hey, great stuff. Of course, from Adams Polishes Megafoam. And with that, like, subscribe,
ring the bell.
And I know we said it again, but share with your friends. We say that a lot.
Yeah.
But we want you to. And let us know about your, I've said it inside, say it again. Let us know about your Megafoam experiences.
Yeah, let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Later.
Bye. You ever been to a foam party?
No.
We're about to have one.
Foam party!
Yes, let's go.
And I come running out of the grass onto our porch, and my shoes are really slippery, and I'm like, that's all on video.
I just got that.